Hello loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you my entry for NYX Face Award 2016. And today I'm going to be Mother Nature. The reason why I chose Mother Nature is because when you're in nature, you don't have to look into mirrors. Instead, you're either focused on the setting around you, on the outside. So right now, I'm going to contour my face. This brown shadow represents the dirt, because without dirt, the earth is not complete. Then I'm going to bake my face, and the bake represents the sand of the ocean. Then I'll be placing a pink eyeshadow to my eyelids to represent the sunrise of our sky. Because in the morning, if you go outside, you will see the sky. It is pink and purple, and that is why I'm placing a purple eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid. And then I'll be placing an orange eyeshadow to my inner corner to represent the sunset. And then I'm going to use a blue eyeshadow to my lower lashes, and the blue represents the water. Using a green eyeshadow that represents the Krys, the grass. And then I'll be using a pink blush. And I'm using a bright highlight because when you're outside at night, you'll see the moon and the star shining bright. I'm using a blue eyeliner to represent the sky throughout the whole day. I'm using a red lip liner because it represents the fire, because we are destroying our earth with taking down these trees. I hope you guys love how I did this makeup look. Thank you, love, for watching this video. Besos.